Hey guys, it's Baby Mira here. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be styling my 4C short natural hair. A month ago I big chopped my hair, and this is also my 1 month big chop update. I know my hair has grown a lot and I'm very happy for big chopping this hair, so let's get into the video, guys. Yeah, so I washed my hair, but I guess it's a bit dry now. I really wanted it to be a bit wet or damp, but since it's a bit dry, I'm going to add water. Oh shit, just to make it damp a bit. So then I have my shea butter. Yeah, and then I use this cantu shea butter for natural hair coconut coiling cream. This really smells nice, please, if you are natural and you use a lot of products that are good, please comment down below and give me a list of products that are good and for the natural hair, so that my hair can grow faster, products I can use in styling my hair every day, because I really need some good products, My hair is long, growing fast. Now I'm done combing my hair. I will use this rat tail comb to part it. you know, I take a lot of time to part this hair rather. And anyway, so after parting it, I use my eco styler. Love the smell of this though. And then I try making the hair leveled with my hand. This makes it look shorter but all leveled and arranged. So after doing this, I'm still going to use the same eco styler and a toothbrush to align my edges. I don't want to start using edge contour and all, so So guys, this is basically what it looks like and how I style my hair every day. Yeah, so guys, thanks for watching. Please click the like button. If you're new, please click the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to leave a comment, and also please give me a list of some products which you all use for your natural hair. That's if you're natural, yeah, if you're keeping natural hair, you know. Yes guys, thank you for watching. I hope this looks cute because I know it does. So guys, thank you for watching. See you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye.